finally decided to upgrade to a battery powered sprayer. I'm not a fan of pumping anymore. Actually, never was much of a fan of using a pump sprayer. Now I'm definitely not a fan. I need the consistent spray, so I went ahead and bought one of these. I'll give it a try, see how good it works. Give you my honest review of this when I use it. But for now, I gotta charge that battery, and I gotta mow and stuff before I use this. So I don't have fancy tip yet, so I'm just going to use this red one that came. And my backyard is 1,000 square feet. That's not gallons. I'm doing a gallon, and I'm going to see how long it takes to get a gallon from there out to tip. So I'll do that test, and then we'll spray the backyard and figure that out. So here goes. All right. All right, it's pressured up. All right. Here we go. did a trial run, but it's way better than pump sprayer. So turn it off. After I apply, we'll do a review on that. I think I'll do, well, I had some product coming in the mail, but FedEx doesn't know how to deliver things on time. So, and then they don't work on the weekends. It's supposed to be here on Friday. FedEx for you. It's stuck somewhere in Georgia, I believe, still. I don't know. Shipped Monday, stuck in Georgia on Tuesday. Lost in the abyss. So I was supposed to do that this weekend. Well, I was going to do that this weekend. Thank you, FedEx, ruined my plans. So we'll have to do it. I don't know when. Anywho, that concludes this for now. I'll give you a full review, or my thoughts on this, when I actually apply product. Till then, till next time, folks. Take care.